You have a son, right? Then listen carefully, because what I'm about to tell you is a message from heaven for his life. God is saying to you right now, that son of yours, that young man you love so much, I am opening a door so great in his life that it will leave many people speechless. There are those who don't believe in him, who think he'll never make it. But what I am preparing, what I am about to do, no man on earth will be able to stop it. Many will witness with their own eyes what I will do in his life in the coming days. And it will be so great, so wonderful, so powerful, that even those who once doubted will have to admit, this was the hand of God. The hand of God is upon that young man's life. And if you have a son, and you believe this word is for you and for him, then act on it right now. Perform a prophetic act of faith. Like this video, write in the comments, I believe, I receive this word, and most importantly, share it with someone who also needs to hear this promise. And don't forget to send it to your son, so he knows you are praying and believing in his future. May God bless you and your family.